Hey friends, this last week we got to check out a project that got installed at a facility here in the SoCal area. Last year, you might recall, we built this Spherical Speaker Array. Well, we got to check out the installation. It come out pretty slick out in the valley. Anyways, this is one of our guys went out and got some video. I think it holds 32 speakers. And let's see, as we walk around this, there's a handrail, expanded metal grate. There's this restraining seat that's for custom tuning a product. So there's some more photo, video here. There's a special restraint chair. Strap you in, take you for a ride on that sucker. Customer gave us some preliminary ideas on the design, and our team went kind of crazy on SolidWorks and wrapped that all up. That's all rec tube, a bunch of diagonal braces to hold it all together, speaker brackets. The floor had to be expanded metal so the sound can go through it. This is a cool staircase we put together. And there you go. Peace out, friends.